If you're dealing with constant joint pain and keep seeing ads promising instant relief, the Rejuvacare Shoulder Massager might have caught your attention, but does it actually deliver what it claims? Marketed as a solution for chronic knee pain, swelling, inflammation, and mobility issues, and even suggesting cartilage restoration, this device positions itself as a convenient at-home therapy tool. Many users report that the massager provides a soothing heat and vibration sensation that can temporarily relax muscles and create a feeling of relief after use, which may help with stiffness and short-term comfort. However, while the relaxation effect feels real, there is no clinical evidence confirming that such devices can rebuild cartilage or permanently resolve joint conditions. Buyer experiences online appear mixed. Some customers say the relief is modest and short-lived, while others express frustration about negative experiences beyond the product itself. Complaints on review platforms mention aggressive upselling tactics during checkout, hidden subscription enrollments, and recurring billing issues that were not clearly disclosed. A number of customers also claimed the advertised money-back guarantee was difficult to redeem, with delayed responses from support. Shipping delays have also been reported, and some marketing materials feature doctor endorsements that cannot be independently verified, which raises credibility concerns. Overall, the Rejuvacare Shoulder Massager may provide temporary comfort through heat and vibration therapy, but expectations should remain realistic, especially regarding long-term healing claims and purchasing transparency. Carefully reviewing the checkout terms and researching seller policies beforehand can help avoid unwanted surprises.